Yeah, I think we're gonna drill into that. You should have enough space there. I'll probably drill them out today. Not that far back, so that when they're moving, chinguen su madre todos con la Mexican flag. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Shrek, and we have a small video for you guys today. As you guys know, we're gonna be going out to Glamis this weekend, and I'll be probably taking this one out to, what is that, Oldsmobile? So I want to put some whips on it so I can hang some flags, and that way we don't get pulled over or anything. So I bought some from Amazon, just some regular cheap ones from Amazon that I'm gonna be installing. So basically we have this. It's a quick release. I'm actually going to just drill into the back of the bed, bolt it down, and then just put the whips on there. This will be the only little thing sticking out, which I don't really mind, especially if I'm gonna be going off-roading often from now on, like because it's snow and all that. I'll be able to carry the whips just for safety. But yeah, I'll be mounting them onto there, the bed of the rail on the bed, and then has this little controller that goes. This is the wiring. So what we're thinking about doing is just plugging it into the towing harness. Plug it into that, secure this on the bottom of the truck, and then I can control it with this once the parking lights are on. And it also came with 2 little American flags along with the hangers for them. So let me go ahead and get started on drilling the holes. Once I put the mounts on, I'll show you guys that. All right, guys, so that's what it looks like with the whips already mounted. It's all right. It's all right. It look pretty cool out there, lit up and everything. I have to do the wiring right now, but let me show you guys how the mounts are. And like I said, these are the cheaper ones off of Amazon. So this is how you do this one. You just, let me get better. There you go. That's how you do this. You just push down, and there it is. And this is what you're left with on there. Just that right there on the back. Which, like I said, I don't mind it. It is what it is. But that's what's gonna be on there. And it's simple. Got the old flags on there and everything. So if you see these flags out in Glamis, just know it's me. Say what's up. Just pop them off. Drive over there like that without the whips. Just the little mounts on there. Those bolted up just like that. I wanted to put it closer to the edge over here, as far out as I could, but I don't want to take off the tail light and all that, so I just said I'll put them right there on the easiest spot. Looks good, serves its purpose, and yeah, that's gonna be that. I'm going to wire it up right now. Something's wrong with my tow harness, so I need to figure out, probably a fuse blown. Figure that out first, because I did do an aftermarket as well in there. So you can tell it's really dark outside already, so I'm working with lights. So I did aftermarket hitch and all that. My truck is a 4x4, but it didn't come with the hitch or the harness. I did do an aftermarket one, so I do have to, it still lights up, reflective ones. I do have to check for fuses, make sure the harness is right, and then somehow wire it up so I could go ahead and light up the whips. So let me go ahead and figure that out right now, and I'll update you guys right now. Like I said, my trailer plug, my tow harness is aftermarket, but it plugs into the OEM one. And then all you do is you put a relay in the front, I believe. Yeah, I think I put a relay in the front on the passenger side, and then the back, the plug, it's a 4-way. It just plugged into the existing one. You can't see it right now, but take my word for it. So the last time I went out riding in the trailer, we messed up the harness on the trailer, and I guess it blew out a fuse because the lights were out. So I went through all the fuse boxes right now, and on the IPDM there is actually a fuse. I'm letting you guys know in case you guys ever run into this. There's actually a fuse, called trailer tow, F4 trailer tow, and it's a 10 amp fuse. I went ahead and took it off, and you can't focus. Let's see if, and there it is. That's the fuse that went out. So I'm going to replace it right now. Hopefully it works. That way we could wire up the whips and have it going. But I just wanted to let you guys know that does happen. Your fuse will go out, and it's on the IPDM, and it's F4 trailer tow 10 amp. All right, stay tuned. All right guys, this will be the first test. Just finished wiring it. I'm gonna hit the alarms, the lock button, see if it does anything. No, it didn't do it. No, didn't do it. So let's see what I'm missing. Oh wait, I think I know why. So this kit came with, let me see. You turn on the lights first. Turn on the lights and then we'll go from there. Oh, you know where we at? We're in the hood. All right, let me. All right, and there it is. They lit up. Supposed to have different modes, but it's not. I don't know if it's because it's underneath. So I don't know if it's because I have the little box on the bottom underneath the truck, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to control it from the inside. Oh yeah, I can. So it has quite a few colors and schemes to choose from, so we should be good in Glamis, guys. We should be good. Hopefully we're good for Glamis. So all we did, let me show you guys real quick. Let me get down there. All we did was all we did on mine, this is the one for the trailer, the toe plug, the trailer harness. All I did was tap in with the blue little self-tapping things, the little tap clips, and I left the box down here zip tied. Everything's zip tied. I'll be cleaning it up a little bit more tomorrow because this unacceptable is a mess. So I'll probably run the wire on the inside all the way over and then cross it up. But that's all I did for my whips, littered whips off of Amazon. And all right, so that's what I used to tap into it. Just these little clips. Tap ditch line into it. So yeah guys, that's basically it. That's our Glamis Prep. I will check the fluids and go through the truck tomorrow, and then load everything up tomorrow as well. The grill, table, all my stuff, a helmet just in case I go riding out there with someone. Pretty sure someone will have a room for us to get on a side-by-side or something. If anything, like I said, I'm taking the truck, so we'll be out at the dunes. So if you guys see me out there, don't forget to say what's up. Don't forget to like this video, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Help me out. We're growing little by little, but it's steady pace. I'm digging it. It's motivating me. So I'm gonna try to put this video up by tonight, maybe tomorrow. I'll probably have it up tomorrow. So yeah, guys, see you guys on the next one. See you guys on Glamis, that's for sure.